In the recent years, we've immensely benefited from the rapid advances of technology, and these developments actually benefit us to improve and design new products and services. With the world becoming increasingly connected, it's very essential to stay up to date with all the technological trends wherever you are, whether company or individual. And that's why Tech Nation every Sunday endeavors to bring to you such shows that enlighten some of the recent trends of technology like artificial intelligence and machine learning, blockchain and Web3 technology, robotics, Internet of Things, and quantum computing. My name is Fiona Bukuru and welcome to Tech Nation. Tonight on Tech Nation, we'll look in details at Tripesa, a business-to-business platform helping tourism businesses in Africa to build, sell, and manage their businesses using technology. Tripesa extends its services to micro, small, and medium enterprises, including tourist operators, tour agencies, hotels, car rental services, artists, as well as event promoters or owners. Tripesa, it's that easy, and they are truly unlocking the potential of tourism and experience in Africa. Welcome to the world of Tripesa, an African technology company revolutionizing how the tourism and hospitality sectors do business across Africa. Tripesa is a simple no-code platform that allows small business owners in tourism, hospitality, events, and experiences to build, sell online, and manage their business operations while increasing their efficiency.
So this story goes back about 10 years. We started an online travel booking marketplace called Roundbob. We got a bit of success. We built a fairly big travel brand. When we started Roundbob, the idea was that how can we help Uganda's middle-class travel? And what we did was this online, booking platform. We aggregated or put together packages from so many businesses onto one website. We built something called a travel wallet so people could save to travel. We did installment plans. We had all these big dreams, to use technology to help drive travel in Uganda. We quickly realized, one, that not many people actually book travel online, so we started to become more of a travel agency. The next thing we learned was that it was a lot harder to build local content. So we began to sell lots of Dubai, lots of Europe and things like that. The business began to grow, but the challenge we faced was that the tech that we built just did not work very well. And so many years later, COVID happened, as we all know, and Roundbob was one of the companies that was hit. Of course, we had very huge overheads. It was very hard to run. So we began what you call a business pivot. So we basically changed from a company that was selling travel to people and became a company that was selling technology to the other travel agencies so they could sell travel to people. And that's pretty much the Tripesa story.
The platform enables micro and small to medium-sized enterprises in tourism with no tech background to build and manage a no-code website, accept bookings, access a customer relationship management dashboard, as well as gain access to multi-currency payment platform that allows them to accept digital payments online.
What we did different was, one, being industry specific. And I want to speak a little bit about the industry before I go into what we've done from a no-code tool perspective. Industry specific means that we understand the value chain of tourism. So normally what you see with tourism is the end user looking at an elephant somewhere in the wild. Right? But for this guy to get there, there's so many steps. There's the flight to get them into the country. There's the car hire service. There's the restaurant they eat at. There's the hotel they sleep at. There's so many sort of small businesses along that value chain that need to be integrated. Okay? So what we really are doing is a huge ecosystem play. Now, how do we make these companies work better? We digitize them across the value chain. So what we've done with no-code is basically build a system that builds websites. A website is think of it as a canvas or a piece of paper which you add information to, and then you automate how a customer will engage this information. So you have a dashboard. The dashboard is pretty much where you go into the changes that you need to make. You enter some information. So for example, you choose a domain name yourself, get that registered. The Tripesa will do that for you as a system, as technology. Then you enter information, your homepage. What is it you want to tell the world? We are the best travel agency in Uganda. Then the next step is your packages, right? We've built a system that helps you standardize how you create your packages. You have your basic information, your detailed information, your inclusions, what's not included, your price options, your currency, all these things. The next part then gets more interesting. You need the booking. So when a booking comes through, you need to have a booking calendar so you can know when the customers are coming to buy what or to experience what you're going to sell. So we've also done that. So that's embedded in the dashboard. And then it gets better. You also then get, of course, payments so customers can pay you. So what we've done with the payments is partner with existing licensed payments providers, and they will process the payment on your behalf so you receive your payment, and then you'll be settled into your bank account or your mobile money wallet or whatever it is.
Tripesa services go beyond just building websites and managing inventory, but also the company employs a B2B business model where they work with customers to develop customized solutions that meet their unique needs, helping them to grow their businesses and reach new customers.
So we're doing supply, sort of demand support activity. So on one part, you have what you call channel management, so that your hotel room or your activity can be visible on Booking.com or Viata, or all the other global channels that sell. Now there's so many channels, right? How do you make sure that you can reach these channels very easily? So Tripesa will do that for you. We're really trying to say by being industry specific. We can build solutions that work for the smaller business, and not just in Uganda, but really across Africa.
The team at Tripesa is made up of passionate and talented individuals who are dedicated to providing innovative solutions that meet the evolving needs of the tourism, hospitality, events, and experiences across the African continent.
What we did, incidentally, when we first built Tripesa, we initially launched in Mombasa. Now, this was purely because it was COVID and Kenya was open before we were open.
Oh, yes.
And one of our colleagues was able to go out to Mombasa and sell. And this was, of course, what you call the validation phase. We were trying to find out whether we actually, it's called product solution fit, right? Does the product we've built actually fix the problem solution fit? Does the solution we have or the product we've built meet the problem that the customers have? So we run around the streets of Mombasa speaking to so many customers, potential customers, so small businesses, what you call the beach boys, the car hire guys. And I think we got 52 people willing to get on the Tripesa. Of those 50, about 20 something actually paid for the service. We're trying to see how much farther we can push the envelope. So yes, we're doing, tour operators, hotels, but we're going into artists. So musicians, artists. So we worked with Rickman to do his Rickman Manrick exclusive website that helped sell his music when he launched. It's not the best experience. I mean, we're also starting it out and trying it out, and it will only get better. But what this means that an artist is able to create his own space. So you can sell your music, you can sell your events, you can sell exclusive experiences. The whole point about the creator ecosystem, and I mean artist tourism is all really run by creators, okay? The creator ecosystem means that with the right tools, you can substantially increase your revenue per month by creating more stuff that people can buy from you. The problems we're solving are not unique to Uganda. These are Pan-African problems. We are confident we can take this little bit of technology built in Uganda and take it across the African continent. We can solve the problems of digitization or mass digitization in the services space, especially tourism and experiences and accommodation. We can enable payments for the smaller business. The reason why large businesses make money in the tourism space most times is because they have tools. They can be found, right? So where do I see us in 5 years? Hopefully, across most of the continent. It's easy for us to scale. We've been able to validate a scaling model, so that makes sense. And hopefully making a little bit of money off, a good percentage of bookings in the tourism and experiences space on the continent. Today, we've been able to get to 624 users on the platform.
Wow.
Good number of these are actually paying for the service. And these are in Uganda and in Kenya. A lot of things we're still validating, but we're confident in the next 2 years, we should get over 5,000 small businesses using Tripesa. And from there on, it's just, we'll get to many, many more customers. If you want to create your own space, your own digital experience that is e-commerce enabled, Tripesa can get you there so much faster and through the validation phase. If you're a larger agent that wants to build a more wholesome online experience, again, Tripesa is a solution to help you achieve that. So we're happy to get on a call, visit tripesa.co and let us know what you think or how we can help you.
We're going for a short break, but when we return, we're going to look in details how Tripesa platform is actually utilized by the different service providers across various sectors. I'm talking of artists, event promoters, hotels, car rental services, even if it's a salon, a travel agency, name it, the list is endless. Don't go anywhere. When we return, we want to give you the insight of actually what you need to know, how much it is on Tripesa, so that you can digitalize your business anywhere and anytime. I'm glad you're still tuned in to Tech Nation, and this particular segment of Tripesa, we want to go in details how their build platform can support you, the micro, small, and medium enterprise, digitalize your business. Again, like I said, this includes all service providers. If you have a service, maybe it's a hotel, a tour agency, it can be even a car rental service, helicopters, name it. Their list is very endless. So we want to get in detail on how you get started. How do you get onboarded? How much can it actually cost? Now, this can range from tour agencies, hotels, car rental services, artists, as well as events, anything tourism and experience. We've got you covered here at Tripesa. And joining me is their CTO. Welcome to the show. Tell the viewer your name and can you take us through, and we have the experience of using Tripesa.
Thank you very much for this opportunity. My name is Raymond. I'm the CTO at Tripesa Limited, and I'm very glad to show you what we offer and how our platform works.
Yeah.
So our platform is a web-based platform. Our backend is done in PHP. As you can see here, some of you are familiar with the PHP environment. You can see some of the details.
Yeah, I can see.
Yes, and it's headless, so that means we have APIs. So, and the front end is done in Vue.js. So Vue.js is common, it's quite useful for what we do. So that's the technology that we use. This is the back end of it. So as a customer of Tripesa, because we do a business-to-business model.
Yeah.
Yes, so where do you start from? So we have our Tripesa website. So tripesa.co, for example. So assuming you are a tour agent or you are an artist. So you go to tripesa.co, you can see all we have to offer, the tour and travel, the hotel and accommodation, and the rest. So you click get started.
Okay.
So when you get started, you'll be taken to a place where you register. And the registration process asks you what kind of business you are.
I can see the categories.
Yes, hotel, hospitality, or I just want to sell an event. For example, if your company is called Let's Go Travel, you can get letsgotravel.com. So
what about if I come to register and the domain is not available, but yet I already have the name?
Yes, if you have the domain, we can work with you to transfer your domain or to point your domain to our services.
Oh, yes.
Let's just go to one of these events. So we're having Tripesa FC versus Express FC. What a match it would be. So you set up your currency, where it will be, the start date, the end time. If you have a map, you can put where it's going to be, and then you categorize the ticket types. VIP, maybe they are paying 700 shillings. This is just for example.
Okay.
Or 600, the various ticket prices. And then you can add images to the event, and you can have it published. This is how your event would look like, for example.
Oh yes, to the customers now.
Yes, yeah, to the business's customers. Yeah. Okay, they'll see their event, where it's going to take place, the location, the time, and they can buy the ticket.
Oh yes.
So when you click, for example, buy a ticket, our platform is so intelligent. You can pay with mobile money, you can pay with Visa.
They are all integrated.
They're all integrated. Wow. When you go to your bookings, they will show up there. Okay, so you see someone paid. All these people have paid, fully paid.
I can see people have already paid.
So fully paid. They're fully paid. Okay, you see the event. One other thing I wanted to show you was about the templates we have. So you can change the look of your website
as of when you want to.
As when you want. Very
Isn't
easy.
this cool?
Yes.
No code.
So let me just show you some examples of some of the tour sites, some of our customers. One of them here is Kizire. She's a tour service provider.
In Uganda?
In Uganda.
Okay.
This is one in Uganda. See, all these are how wonderful packages. Zen in the zoo. So you can actually, this is live, you can go and book a package right now and go to the zoo at this fee in Ugandan shillings. Now, we have another one, African Bush Cars. This is in Kenya. Because we currently operate in Uganda and Kenya. Yes. In aviation.
Sky Plus is one of them.
Yes. In aviation, it's one of them. Okay. So they offer all these wonderful services, even sports. Balloon safaris.
I like balloon safaris.
See, Wagtail hotels. So they have their accommodation. You can see, $90 a night, $5 a night. So your hotel can also have a website here, and people can book the hotel. Okay. Now the artists. So rickmanmanexclusive.com is done on Tripesa. So you may be an artist and you're wondering, how do I sell my music? How do I have a shop? At Tripesa, you can actually sell your music on Tripesa.
Are they able to have and host their events on their same website?
Yes.
Because they always have, concerts year in and year out.
Exactly.
I think every artist should come and sign up for this. This is very easy, and it will make their work very, very easy as well.
I am a local tourist guide at Mavamba Swamp. I take tourists on the motorized canoe boats looking for the shoebill and other birds. Tripesa helped me to design a website to reach to our clients from all over the world. I manage my website designed by Tripesa. I can answer to emails very fast when clients book. We receive bookings from all over the world. Clients can contact us directly from our website, mavambatours.com. And now the business is improving.
Thank you so much for being part of this episode of Tech Nation. We promised you here at Tech Nation, we bring you diverse, new and innovative innovations, not only in Uganda, but Africa and the globe at large. We are looking for you, the young innovators, innovative minds, wherever you are. You can easily reach us out at technation_UG, or we shall find you anywhere, anytime. From me and my team, it is indeed a wrap, and it's a good night. Ciao.